Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up NETGEAR EX7000 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the NETGEAR EX7000 Wi-Fi Extender is a dual-band AC 1900 range extender that helps expand your existing Wi-Fi coverage to areas with weak or no signal. Firstly, place the extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Connect the power adapter to the extender. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Press the power button if necessary. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid green. Do not place the extender too far from the router during the first setup. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network named NETGEAR_EXT. Once connected, open any web browser. Launch a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type www.mywifiext.net or 192.168.1.250, then press Enter. The NETGEAR Genie Smart Setup page will appear. If the setup page doesn't open, check that your device is still connected to NETGEAR_EXT Wi-Fi and not your router. On the welcome screen, click New Extender Setup. Create a username and password for the extender. This is not your Wi-Fi password. Select your country or region, then click Next. The extender will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. When the list appears, select your main home Wi-Fi network, SSID. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password correctly. Click Next to continue. The extender will suggest a new name, SSID, for your extended Wi-Fi. If your main Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extended one may be home Wi-Fi_EXT. You can keep the suggested name or change it as you prefer. Click Next to apply settings. The extender will now save and reboot. This takes about 60 seconds. Once rebooted, go to your device's Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to your new extended network, e.g., home Wi-Fi_EXT. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router if prompted. After connecting, go back to your browser. You'll see a confirmation message that setup is complete. Click Finish or Continue. Unplug the extender and move it to a midway point between your router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.